Welcome to our next lesson in trigonometry. The first problem. In this chapter, we'll do small problems. Just to refresh all the ratios, sine, cos, and tan, etc. So the simplest tan 45 0, tan 45 is 1. So the equation become 1 square, 1 minus 1 square also is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square. This is equal to 0. 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Obviously, the answer is 0. So, option we have to take this may be a 2 marks question like that. See, what is the option? Tan 90. What is tan 90? Tan 90 is 1. What is sine 45? It's 1 by 2. So, while doing trigonometry, we will try to put all the values on one side, sine of the angle, cos of the angle, tan, so that it will be easy for us to do the problem. So we'll go to problem number 2. Next problem. Sin 2a is equal to sin a is true when options. So you put 0, sin 2 0 also is 0, sin 0 is 0. It's equal to 2 sin 0 is 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is also. So this tally true when a is equal to 0. You try with other option, it won't be. So we'll go to next problem. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan 30. So what is tan 30? So let us take this as 30. This is 1 root 3. This is 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is 2 multiplied by 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 30. 1 minus 1 by root 3. So this is minus. Please, I'll make it a little bigger. So this we can solve this denominator we can solve as root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. So root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. Is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. So this root 3 will get cancelled. This is equal to 2 by root 3 minus 1. Now, three options. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is just half 1 by 2. See, 1 by 2 is cos 60. What about sin 60? It's root 3 divided by 2. What about tan 60? Is root 3 divided by 1 or it's root 3. So this none of them matches with this one. So we don't have any option. So all the options are wrong. The next problem. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3. So tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. To find the values of a and b, he says given a plus b is less than between 0 or 90 is greater b, then only A is greater than B is given. So you put the table which angle of tan is equal to root 3. So that is tan 60 is equal to root 30. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 60. So what about the next case? Tan A minus B to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 30. If you add this, you get 2A is equal to 90 or A is equal to 45. And then B is equal to 45, 50. So 45 plus 15 is 60, 45 minus 15 is equal to 30. So we know the value of, so we did not put 45 degree, that's understood. So we go to next problem. So we do this 2 marks question as much as possible in trigonometry. We will be sure about the basics. We will remember the values. Then we can do big problems easily. It's not a, we remember the basic value. We can do the problems and easily. State whether true or false or justify. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus B. Correct? No. So let us take some example. What is A? We'll put some value and see whether it agrees. If it's not agree, it's not correct. So let us take A as 30, B as also 30. What's going to happen? What is sin 30? What about if you put A as 30 and B as 30? Sin A plus B, what is it? Sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Is it equal to, what about sin A? Then sin 30 is half plus half. So these two are root 3 by 2 and this 7, they are not equal. So it's not agreeing. Next, the value of sin A increases as angle increases. Yes, it's correct. What about how much is sin 0? Equal to 0. What about sin 30? What is the value of sin 30? It's off. What about sin 60? It's root 3 by 2. See, it's increasing steadily. What about sin 90? Okay, let us take sin 90. What is sin 90? It's equal to 1. The value from 0 to 1 it will increase. Next, value of sin A increases as the angle increases. Next, value of cos A increases as angle increases. What about this is answer is 2. What is cos 0? Equal to 1. How much is cos 30? It's root 3 divided by 2. Which is cos 60? It's half. What about cos 90? That's 0. Value is decreasing. It's not increasing. Next, sin A is equal to cos A for which value of the angle? It's also supposed to find out the angle. So you try to find out sin 45 equal to cos 45. What is the value of sin 45? It's 1 by root 2. What is cos 45? It's 1 by root 2. So for 45, this sin A is equal to cos A. The next problem is cos A is not defined for angle equal to 0. What is cos 0? Cos A, cos A is for angle equal cos 0 is equal to 1. It is defined. So cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, this is the answer is no. So in this we have seen some of the values and how exactly we can analyze the trigonometric problem. So at least for first few classes you prepare a table. What is 30? Here at 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You write here sine, cos, tan and so on. You try to repeat the writing, so and you can check with the available so that you will be able to remember how the different trigonometric ratios work. Thank you. So in trigonometry and all the problems, you try to repeat so that you'll be sure that the answer is correct or how the way how exactly how to think.